Welcome, my dear students, for online class from Online English Center for the SSC students. Dear students, now I am going to discuss on English second paper. Today's topic, changing sentence, Dinajpur Board 2017. Going to next step. Question A. What are an important vital element of environment is polluted in various way? Complex. The students, you have to change into complex according to the order. Firstly, you have to identify, is this sentence simple or compound? The students, notice only one subject and one finite verb and another apposition in. So this sentence is simple. Exactly, this sentence is simple. If you find subject plus apposition in, if you find apposition in, while changing to complex, you have to come who is that. The students, who is that. You have to come who is that in the complex sentence. While changing into complex, you have to come who is that from simple sentence. The students, first you have to write water, and this is appositive part of this sentence, and this is principal part. So first you have to write water. WATER, water, and you have to write that because this is thing. Water is thing. So you have to write that, TACT, that, or which. Water that, water which. And you have to set auxiliary verb. You have to set auxiliary verb. Notice this sentence is B1. M is there. So you have to bring auxiliary verb. Water which or that is. Water that is. Water which is. Oblige WHICH, which. Water which is an important vital element of our environment. You have to write ANNIMPORTANT, important, VITAL, important, ELEMENT, element of, ENVIRON, environment, MENT, environment. And then you have to write next part of this sentence, is polluted in various ways. Is POLLUTED. You have to cut comma and you have to write next part of this sentence, polluted, is polluted in various, in VARIOUS, various, WAYS. Dear students, this sentence has been complex. In this way, you can change into complex from simple. If you find these tools, a positive in, you have to apply this formula while changing into complex. Going to next step, my dear students. B. Question B. The water which is pure is necessary for us. Simple. The students notice and question. Is this sentence complex or compound? The students, which is a conjunction of complex. So, and there are two verbs in this sentence. There are two verbs, one and two. One is, another is. So, this sentence is complex. While changing into simple, you have to come adjective plus noun. Dear students, if you find the structure, firstly, noun plus who is that, plus be verb plus adjective. You have to come, while changing into simple, you have to come adjective plus noun. Adjective plus noun. This is a tools. First you have to write TAC, the water. The students, you have to cut water because this is material noun. You have to cut water. First you have to write pure. You have to cut which and is. Which and verb is. You have to cut. And you have to write firstly P-U-R-E, pure, and then pure. Your dear students, pure. This word is used. You have to use this word before water, and no article use material noun before material noun. No article use before material noun. So this the you have to cut the word the article the, and you have to write water. First you have to write pure and you have to write water, W-A-T-E-R, water. And you have to next part of the sentence, is necessary for us. Pure water is necessary for us. IS is NECESSARY, F word for USS. Dear students, this sentence has been simple. By applying this formula, you can change into simple from complex. C. Notice another question, C. Man polluted water by throwing waste in it. Or that is to say, man polluted water by plus beyond plus ing. By plus beyond plus ing. If you find by plus beyond plus ing, and if you find one subject, one finite verb, this sentence is simple sentence. And this is beyond plus ing. By plus beyond plus ing, this is the format of simple sentence. And subject polluted water, this is principal. Subject man polluted water. Man polluted water. This is principal clause, and this is the format of simple sentence by plus beyond plus ing. First we have to write man pollute water. M-E-N, man, P-O-L-L-U-T-E, pollute, W-A-T-E-R, water. And then you have to use, dear students, you have to change into compound. Firstly, you have to write man. First, you have to write man. And then you have to set You have to cut ing and set the verb according to the principal, according to the tense of principal clause. This is pollute, this is B1. So you can use B1. Throw, man throw. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, throw. Man, T-H-R-O, T-H-R-O-W, throw. Throw means নিক্ষেপ করা, বাংলা বললে হবে নিক্ষেপ করা। Man throw washed. Man throw washed in water. Man throw was W-A-S-T-E, washed in W-A-T-E-R. The students eat and water, same. So noun all time is used in the first clause or first sentence. So firstly you have to set noun in water, and you have to set compound end, and end, and they. The students, you have to bring subject. Man throws washed in water and they pollute water. They pollute water and pollute water. Okay. The students, you can write subject. There is no problem with the subject because two subjects are same. So second subject is silent after and. Going to next step. Question D. The farmers use water in time of cultivation largely. Passive. This one you have to change into passive. Carefully. First you have to identify auxiliary verb. There is no auxiliary verb in this sentence. And so you have to another format, B1 plus signs. You have to search another format, B1 plus S or yes or B2. The students, first you have to search B1 plus S or yes or B2. This one's the farmers. This is subject and use B1 water object. First you have to write object. You have to set object as subject. You have to write water firstly, W-A-T-E-R, water. And then you have to auxiliary verb, but you have to set auxiliary verb, but there is no auxiliary in this sentence. You have to go into next step and you have to set extra word. This one's notice, use, B1. So you have to bring M is a extra word, as extra word, as an extra word. So water is material noun, so you have to set singular verb is, is. This is extra word. And you have to write B3 instead of B1. USE, used. USED, used. And you have to write next part of this sentence, in time of cultivation largely. IN in, TIME, time of, CULTIVATION B-A-T-I-O-N, cultivation, L-A-R-G-E-L-Y, largely, and you have to set by, B-Y, by, and you have to set subject as object. The farmers, you have to set object, the farmers, F-A-R-M-E-R-S, farmers. Dear students, this sentence has been active, passive. You can change into passive by the using the rules of passive passive voice. The students, going to next step, E. It is one of the most important elements of all living beings. Passive, positive. The students, question: is this sentence superlative or comparative? But you have to change it to positive. Exactly, this sentence is superlative because one of the plus adjective theory in this sentence. There are a tools, one of the plus adjective theory. So this sentence is superlative degree. You have to change into positive. First, you have to write. If you find one of the plus adjective theory, you have to come in the positive. You have to set. You have to come very few dot dot as plus adjective one plus s. This format. You have to use this format while changing into positive. First, you have to write very few. B-E-R-Y, very, F-E-W, very few. And then you have to set adjective 3. You have to set next part of the sentence. Elements, you have to set elements of all living beings after adjective 3. E-L-E-M-E-N-T-S, elements. And you have to set plural verb, elements of all, A-double-L, all, L-I-V-I-N-G, B-E-I-N-G-S, and you have to set plural verb. This was notice this verb is. So there are 3 verbs in this group. In this group, there are 3 verbs. Am, is, are, and this is plural verb is are and singular verb is. So you have to set are, A-R-E-R, and then you have to set s, A-S-S, and you have to set adjective 1. This will notice most important. You have to cut most and you have to set important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important as you have to set subject of this sentence. IT, it. Very few elements of all living beings are as important as it. The students, this sentence has been positive. So my dear students, I have tried to show the students, if you like my video, you will subscribe my channel. I will arrive before with a new video. Have a good day till this.